With COVID-19 cases on the surge in the Hampton Roads area, Newport News Shipbuilding created its own COVID-19 testing center to help keep employees safe. It's at the old apprentice school gym, and here's how to use it. First, call the COVID hotline to schedule a test. When you arrive, use the gym's northwest door if you have symptoms. Use the main entrance if you don't have symptoms but have been exposed to the virus. Inside,
we get them checked in, give them a pamphlet with some information, and we get them over to see the nurse.
While social distancing, you stand 6 feet apart and one at a time, one quick swab.
2 seconds, okay?
She does the swabs, she put it in a sealed envelope, and she has a carrier that comes and pick it up every day.
If you are an hourly employee, clock out and exit.
It's a very quick process once you get here. You're in and out within like 10, 15 minutes.
If you are a salaried employee, notify your supervisor when you're finished testing. Information in your pamphlet will tell you how to view your test results. If you test negative, report to the testing center on the assigned date for your second test. If you test positive, stay home. Once both tests are negative, Newport News Shipbuilding will notify you of when to return to work. And remember to wear those masks to help stop the spread. For Newport News Shipbuilding, I'm Lena Wallace.